Hi everyone, this is Nathan from PhantomBuster. Today's video is about understanding how to extract specific LinkedIn profiles from a list of LinkedIn company pages. You might already know that on PhantomBuster you can extract all the employees from specific companies if you are inputting the LinkedIn company URL of these companies with the Phantom LinkedIn Company Employees Export. The problem here is that if you are searching specific profiles from big companies, you will have to extract all the employees and then filter the profiles you are looking for. I have a workaround that could help you to only extract these specific leads from the companies and not having to extract all the people. So the first step will be to build your targeted search URL on Sales Navigator. So here I will, for example, search for PhantomBuster. Then I want to have the founder and let's say CEO. So you'll see that here I have two results. Now I will take the URL of this search and I will copy it. The next step will be building a spreadsheet and pasting your search URL on the first cell. So you can see here that my search URL is this one. You will also see that the search URL is including your filters. And here is the company ID where I'm searching the employees from. You can also see after current title that we have the founder and CEO. So if my search is ready, I will only need to change this ID, because if I change it to another one, then I will get the same search but for a different company. So what I did here is that I took the first part of my search until just before the company ID and I pasted then what's after the company ID. So now if I have the company IDs of the companies I want to search this profile, it will be pretty easy. I will just need to take the first part of my search to concatenate with the company ID and with the second part. So you can see here that I did this function on Google Spreadsheets, which is taking the first part of the search, then the company ID, and then the last part. So let's do an example. Here on my list, I added two companies, Clay and Lemlist. So I will build my targeted search. We'll take the first part of the link, then add the company ID, and then add the last part. And I will do the same for Lemlist. So now I have my two searches. Let's try to open them and to see if I have the right one. So you can see that now I'm searching for the company of Clay, the founder, and the CEO. And it also works for Lemlist. And now if we would like to do it on many more companies, it will be very easy. You will just need the company ID and then scroll the search down to get your list of search URL. Then you will use this list of search URLs as an input for the Sales Navigator Search Export Phantom. We can do an example together. I will copy the two URLs here, paste them here on another tab. I will share my spreadsheet publicly and then copy the link. Now I will head back to my PhantomBuster account, Sales Navigator, and the Sales Navigator Search Export Phantom. I will paste my spreadsheet URL here, and now I can launch the Phantom. Okay, so my Phantom finished running, and you can see that I extracted the profiles I wanted to extract. You can see here that it seems that there are many founders, co-founders, and CEOs at Clay. But anyway, it worked. And I think this is a very handy workaround to find and extract these targeted profiles, leads from the companies you actually want to target. So a quick recap. To extract specific and targeted LinkedIn profiles from company pages, you have to use Sales Navigator, and then to create your search, you will apply your filters. Then you will need to build your list of companies with the company IDs, and you will build a dynamic Sales Nav URLs for each company. So you will take the URL of your Sales Navigator search and edit it for each of the companies where you want to search these profiles. Then you will use the Sales Navigator Search Export Phantom to extract the profiles. And if you are stuck because you have the LinkedIn URL of the company pages where you want to extract the profiles but not the ID, you can simply select LinkedIn here, right, company, and a phantom like the LinkedIn company scraper or the Sales Navigator company scraper will output you the LinkedIn company ID of these companies. So that's it. This method gives you precise control over who you are extracting from each company and is fully automatable. Give it a try and let me know if it works for you. Thank you for listening. Catch you in the next video.